Here we are on Narcoossee heading north, and we're starting here because that's the new Publix going in on the right. We're all really excited about it, and Split Oaks Estates is just about a mile away. Normally we're starting these community tours, well, at the beginning of the community. But there's so much infrastructure going in here, and we're so excited about the Publix that we just wanted to point out that location is key, and Split Oak Estates is there. Like mentioned, you're only 1 mile away from that soon-to-be Publix grocery store with the other outlets that will be going in there soon. The Orlando International Airport is only 9 miles away, making travel convenient. Disney Magic Kingdom is only 22 miles away. Universal Studios is only 18. And of course, if you're looking for a beach, Cocoa Beach, my favorite, 55 miles away. And for those working or enjoying the amenities at Lake Nona, only 2 miles away. Keep in mind, those times were during rush hour. And here we go, where that white van is. That's Zuni, very popular road and probably going to be a main thoroughfare going up. And there it is, the map just popped up. That'll accompany us as we go around Split Oak Estates. And here we go. There's the sign right there. Normally we got the sign on the right. You can see it right there. Okay, welcome to Split Oak Estates in St. Cloud, Florida. And today, we're taking you on an exclusive tour of this charming community. So buckle up or sit down or whatever you're doing and enjoy the ride as we just talk a little bit about Split Oak Estates. But mainly, we just want to see the neighborhood. What we realized a long time ago was that people get to see the homes, and usually you get plenty of pictures, but you don't really get to see the neighborhoods, see the layouts, see your neighbors, see how everybody acts in the neighborhood, the vehicles, just everything that encompasses actually purchasing a home in a specific community. So with that being said, Split Oak Estates has a range of homes. The price ranges go from about $409,000 up to about $800,000. For some recent sales, and there's some rather large houses. I believe one of them is about 5,200 square feet. As we drive through the neighborhood, you'll see this could be your perfect place to call home. Right now we're driving along Matera, and you'll notice a few paths off to the right where you can walk to the pond, and there's some walking paths. There's one right there. Really neat. There's a lot of sidewalks and a lot of paths to walk around in these neighborhoods, which is always really nice and convenient. Split Oaks Estates is known for its well-maintained streets and beautiful homes. The HOA fees are $130 a month. That's covering ground maintenance. You have a lot of those sidewalks with a lot of community grounds. The community pool is also in that monthly payment. Real estate taxes on the common areas. Property insurance for the HOA designated areas. And pest control. Of course, always check the HOA rules and regulations for specific information. I do know that leasing in this neighborhood requires a 1-year lease. Now, of course, there is a lot of communities. That's why we haven't covered them all. Oftentimes, we try to cover these communities when we get a listing in the area, if we have enough time to do it, which we try to make enough time. Our listing we just passed not too long ago. The sign isn't up yet. It'll be going live here real shortly, but that's why this video is coming out about the same time. You've probably noticed the construction crews on the left side. Not necessarily the construction crews, but some of the cement has been dug up. They're just running fiber internet. Most people prefer the speed now, and it's just a matter of digging up the ground. However, it always happens when we go to take pictures. We should have continued down Matera right there, but we decided to go this way because we wanted to head up to the community pool and pond area. It is to be noted that these are Pulte Homes, and everybody has their opinion of Pulte Homes. I'm actually a bigger fan, and from somebody that goes into a lot of home builds, I find that Pulte is the most consistent, or one of the most consistent. And they have many levels of buying power, and they seem to always have above grade materials. So in addition, really, Pulte Homes features a lot of energy efficient designs, which helps keep energy consumption down. And their materials and their inspections are above the cut. Oh, here we go. We're about to pull over right here, get out of the van, and go take a look at the community. And here we go, sped up a little bit without the gimbal, so hopefully it's not too shaky. The community mailboxes, the playground, and the pool is off to the right. This is the part that I am going to send you off on while you're taking a look. We really appreciate everybody watching, and Split Oak Estates has something for everybody. If you'd like your own personal tour, please get a hold of Jessica and I, and we'd be happy to schedule it. We'll walk you through the community. We'll even give you access to the pool, which I did not get this time because there was kids in there, and I don't film kids. With that being said, if you find it in your heart, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we are realtors. We would love to earn your business. Please get a hold of us, and either way, we'll catch you in the next video.